An abandoned kitten was found wandering the streets of Oxnard, California, unable to use its back paws but full of life. Named Bernard, he was taken to Ventura County Animal Services in Camarillo. A veterinary technician contacted Jennifer Hurt of Run Rescues, who readily agreed to temporarily take him in. Jennifer took Bernard to Oak's Veterinary Urgent Care in Ora Hills, where Dr. Rachel Wallach examined him. "We're not sure why he can't use his back legs. It could be a dislocation," said Alyssa Smith with Run Rescues. Bernard also needs his bladder to be expressed as he cannot urinate on his own. Despite these challenges, Bernard's spirit remained indomitable. He adapted quickly to his new foster home, displaying a playful and adventurous nature